Hey guys, what's going on? In this video today, I'm going to show you how to create your retargeting campaign. So what you're going to do is go to your ads manager inside your business manager, okay? Click create. Then you're going to pick conversions, click continue. Then you're going to name your campaign. It's going to be product retargeting. Okay, that's what you're going to name the product here, whatever it is, like fishing pole retargeting. All right, then you're going to keep this off, click next. Pretty much you're going to do almost the same exact thing as your original campaign. Okay, you're going to put purchase here. When you start retargeting, you could start with $5 per ad set because the audiences are going to be a lot smaller, and I just usually always start at $5 when I'm retargeting and then work my way up. Okay. Same thing, you're going to start next day at midnight. Now, you're not going to put your audiences anymore in here. Okay. Make sure this is unchecked. You're not going to put your audiences anymore in here. Okay. You're going to put them here now. You have custom audiences. See, the ones that you create are going to show up here. Everything. 3-second video views, 10 seconds, 25%, 50%, 75%, 95%. Add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase, okay? So you could go ahead and select 3-second video views. Now, the only time we want to use purchase in here is we're going to want to exclude anybody that has purchased because we don't want to waste ad dollars retargeting people that have already purchased our product, okay? So you're going to want to put purchases, people that have the custom audience purchasers here. Now, sometimes when you exclude purchasers, like Facebook, I don't know, like the ad set just doesn't spend for some reason because the audience is too small. So if you see that it's not spending, just come into the ad set and remove purchasers, okay? Obviously, ideally, we want them to exclude them, but if Facebook's just not able to spend because of the size of the audience, just come in the ad set, remove the purchasers, and then republish it, okay? So you're going to leave everything the same. You're going to put the same countries that you were originally targeting, all right? So if you had one campaign that's targeting US, Canada, Australia, and the UK, you want to add them, same thing, in your retargeting. Now, if you have 2 campaigns running, like one with the main countries and then one with all the other countries, then you're going to want to have 2 different retargeting campaigns. One with the mains and one with the other countries, okay? You're going to leave everything the same here. Automatic, all that. Then you're going to go ahead and put your ad copy for your retargeting, which we talked about in the previous video. Same with the headline. And then you're going to put the product page URL here and then shop now. Okay. Now for the creative, for the retargeting, I personally, it just depends. I personally have found really good return when I'm using a photo, okay, of the product. Like, for example, a photo of what the product does in a sense. So I would click add image, right, and use this image. And then just click done. Another thing that I have seen that works really good for retargeting is testimonial videos and images that show like a discount, like they have the product showing and then it says like 15% off or something like that. And I'm going to show you an example, okay? But those are like really good. I usually the same video will work as well, but it kind of gets burnt out. Like you kind of want to just show the customer something new, you know, customers that were interested previously, something new, like a different angle of the product, give them, you know, a picture that shows an offer, you know, so they could see it right in their face, even though your ad copy and headline are going to have an offer, you know what I mean? So that's what I usually use. Testimonial videos also work really, really well. You know, you could have a friend or something if, you know, you don't have any testimonial videos of real customers. You could have a friend shoot a video with the product, talking about it, how it benefited them, etc. And then you could use that also for retargeting, which works really, really good. Really high ROI on that. Okay. This is here because I don't have any URL. Okay. But you would put the product page URL here. So let me show you an example of what I meant. For example, it'd be something like this, okay? You would have your brand name, your product, saying, you know, what percentage off you're offering them, use code, blah, 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 ends here, okay? You know, so it would be like, just like this, you know, obviously not Ray-Ban. So you would use this to also retarget. So you can, you know, test different ads as well, you know, inside the ad set and see which one performs better, you know. That always works great. Once that's done, you're going to click publish. Okay, and it's most likely going to get approved because we're already selling the product, so we don't have to wait for like Facebook's approval. If they already approved our video ad, they're going to approve the retargeting ad. Okay, so you're going to do the exact same thing as you did on your original campaign. You're going to duplicate the ad set, okay, and then you're going to use existing post, right, the post ID, right, so you would want to go to page post, go to add posts, and then you're going to see your retargeting post here. You're going to copy the ID. And then you're going to go back to your ads. Then you're going to duplicate this ad set in the original campaign, which is the campaign you're currently in. And then you're going to go to the ad section and go to use existing post, put the post ID, and then go back to the ad set. And then you're going to change the custom audience, right? We have 9 separate custom audiences. So we're going to have 9 ad sets, okay? 3-second video views, 10-second, 25, 50%, 75%, and 95% video views. And then we have add to cart, initiate checkout, and view content. So that's a total of 9, okay? So you're going to go down here, change this, content, 30 days, exclude purchasers, name your ad set, right? View content, 30 days. Usually I just name it like that. I don't put the reach because usually it's unavailable. Okay. Then what you're going to do is just click publish. And then once you publish this ad set, you're going to duplicate this ad set because it's the one that has the existing post in it. Remember, we want all our social proof to transfer across all ad sets. We're going to duplicate it 7 times, and then we're going to add all the other custom audiences that we're testing, publish them, and then you're good to go. Your retargeting campaign is ready to go. Let it run for 3 days. It's the same exact thing. You're looking at the same metrics, you know, your CPA, your ROAS, same exact thing. So don't treat it like, oh my God, this is something all new. It's just basically targeting different audiences, hot audiences, warm audiences that have showed interest in your product already. Okay. So once you let it run for 3 days, you're going to see your results. Like I said, you're going to scale. If your CPA is below your break-even point, and you're not going to scale if it's above your break-even point. And you're just going to move forward in that manner. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.